Today we are going to install GTA 5 4K water mode. First you need to install OpenIV and 4K water. Link in the description. Extract here. X4A RPF. Open it and paste water YTD and graphics YTD. Let's do it. First you need to open file location of GTA 5 and create a mode folder and copy X4A to it. I already copied it. Let's do it. Open it. Open IV Windows. Mode folder X4A RPF texture and copy to 4K water edit mode. Yes, water YTD, copy to here. Back graphics YTD, let's copy to here. That's all. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.